Hi everyone, welcome to the Agri Science channel. Today I want to explain about the population census of India. So and also Andhra Pradesh. It is very useful for APPSC exams and also other competitive exams are conducted by India all over India also, because the population census of India also we are giving. So every 10 years only once the census will be taken. So 2011 census is we had to see 2011 census of on India, and also Andhra Pradesh census. Again they have reviewed after 2014, that I have given, and population census of 2011, and the motto is our census our future, and commissioner of census 2011 is C Chandramouli. C Chandramouli, sometimes they ask this surname also, so you remember C Chandramouli. And it was collected in 16 languages, and the training manual was prepared in 18 languages and spread across 28 states and 7 union territories, because that time Telangana is not formed. The census covered 640 districts. So this important, how many districts they have covered: 640 districts and 5,767 tahsils and 7,993 6 lakh villages. And in 2011, Bangladesh and India conducted first ever joint census. This is important, and the census was conducted in two phases: the house listing phase and the population enumeration phase. And first census was conducted in 1872 by Lord Mayo, but regular census was started in, sorry, here one is missing, 1881 by Lord Ripon. And so population India, this is India, and this is 2001 2011 on, this is Andhra Pradesh, and population was 1210.9 millions, and highest population was in Uttar Pradesh, and in UT it is Delhi, and the lowest population is Sikkim, just 0.05% of total India, and Lakshadweep it is 0.041%. And male population, this is the male and female population. And coming to the rural population, Uttar Pradesh has the highest rural population. This is percentage, so I have given it here already. Rural and urban population in percentage 68.64 and 31.36. And Maharashtra has the highest urban population. Second highest urban population is with UP again. And scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, the percentage this also in percentage: 16.48% of scheduled caste in total population and 8.08% of total scheduled tribes. And Punjab is the highest scheduled caste, and Mizoram. So we all know that northeastern states mostly they constitute scheduled tribes. So ST population highest in Mizoram. There are no SC population. Very less amount is there. Very less is there, negligible. So Mizoram is the least SC population, and Goa is the least scheduled tribe population. And percentage change in demographic growth, it was minus 3.85. This is the first decade except 1921, which has a negative growth rate. So decadal growth rate is less, and annual growth rate is 1.63%, and decadal growth rate is 7.64%. 64%. This is percent change in the decadal growth, means compared to 2001 level, what is the change in percent decadal growth. That this is the actual decadal growth, how much decadal growth is. And this is the sorry, you should read this also. So rural population 70.4%, 29.6% Andhra Pradesh rural population, and scheduled caste is 17.1%. We have both scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, 17.1%, 5.3%. And so decadal growth is 11.10. Our decadal growth is for 2011 census, it was 11.10, and literacy rate 74.04%. It is very important literacy rate, you have to remember. And Andhra Pradesh literacy rate is 67.66%. And Kerala, you know, that is the highest literacy rate. And that slide you can pass the slide and you can read again. And so our life expectancy at birth is 63.55 years, and death rate is 73, and birth rate is 22.5 per thousand persons. It is per thousand. Birth rate is 22.5 and death rate is 73, and our life expectancy at birth is 63.5. Literacy rate highest districts, population highest districts here: Sarchip is the in Mizoram highest literacy rate. It is not in Kerala, and population Thane, Maharashtra highest. And Alirajpur is the in Madhya Pradesh lowest literacy rate. Dabang Valley in Arunachal Pradesh lowest population. So anyhow population will be lowest in Arunachal Pradesh, like that northeastern states only. So this is Dabang Valley. And coming to the AP, Visakhapatnam district has the largest urban population. So urban population largest in Visakhapatnam district, and Srikakulam is the largest rural population. And coming to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, 17.1% of scheduled caste and 5.3% of scheduled tribe population. 17.1%, 5.3% scheduled tribe population. And there are this is the female and male citizens, and sex ratio 996, it is higher than the India level, so we all know. And literacy rate already we have seen 67.41%, and West Godavari district has the highest literacy rate, and the lowest is Vijayanagaram. And percentage child population of AP is 10.6%. This is not child sex ratio, it is percent child population of AP, it was 10.6%. And highest sex ratio district is Vijayanagaram, and lowest sex ratio district is Prakasham. So in Vijayanagaram district there are more number of females per 1000 males, and in Prakasham district there are less number of females per 1000 number of males. So you should read this or see the video once or twice. So and note down all these things. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.